I'm Dr. Nabeel, ENT specialist from Aster Cedars Hospital and Clinics, Jebel Ali. I'm from India and I almost got 8 years of experience, in which 4 years of teaching experience. I completed my masters from Mahatma Gandhi Medical College and Research Institute, Pondicherry, India. And I am a fellow of European Board of Otorhinolaryngology and Head and Neck. My area of interest is endoscopic nose surgeries and endoscopic ear surgeries. I also perform surgeries for larynx and thyroid surgeries I do. My area of interest is endoscopic nose surgeries, endoscopic ear surgeries. I also perform adenoidectomy, tonsillectomy, vocal cord nodule, vocal cord polyp surgeries, thyroidectomy and submandibular gland excision. We will provide you better care in solving all your ENT problems with advanced technology. Aster, we will treat you well.